Bonjour, it's Marianne Lecoeur of mariannelecoeur.com, and today I wanted to show you a few examples of how you can wear simple striped tops like this one. So, for instance, as I am demonstrating right now, I have this beautiful green tweed jacket. So, I'm wearing it with this blue and white top, and look what happens. It modernizes that tweed jacket, and you can see how good it looks. So this is one way of wearing your your Breton top, as many people call them, or we call them marinières, which are striped tops with long sleeves. So this is one way of wearing your tweed jacket if you're not sure how to wear it in a more casual way. So you can wear with this a pair of white jeans or white trousers, or simply just a pair of navy blue jeans. Just one way. So another way is this blue and white striped dress. I just added a simple bright pink cardigan. So this is all my clothes, obviously. I love bright pink. It suits me, it brightens up the outfit, and look how it really goes well together. Of course, always wear the colors that suit you the most. So this is one way. Another way, look, you can wear your striped item here. It's a striped dress with a bag. And look, when it's open, it looks very good indeed. Very good way. Another way, just with a navy cardigan. Navy striped, navy cardigan. Perfect. There is never any need to complicate the style, to complicate your outfit, and to really think too hard about what to wear with what. French chic style is very much a simple style. So the next one is this blazer that I absolutely love, and you have again that striped top beneath. You could wear a round neckline as well. It would be even nicer. This is another way. Another way, again, it's one of those navy autumn spring jacket. It's really fine, so it doesn't add bulk to the body. Again, with a striped top, that would look very French. This is something that we wear very, very often. Again, another color to contrast with the navy and white stripe is a red. Red is one of the 7 colors that we wear in France, so this is a really good color. Again, wear navy blue jeans, navy tailored trousers, or white trousers or white jeans. Perfect. But you could also wear a red skirt or red trousers. See? Always keep to those colors though. So these are the ways to wear your striped top or a striped dress, as I have shown you. Do not try to reinvent the wheel. There is no need for that. So adding a bright color like this, like the pink and like the red, or even with the green, add something else to the outfit. So you can try that. Of course, when you add one of these colors, do not add a 4th one to the mix. It will be too much. But here you just stick to 3 colors: white, blue and green. Perfect. So whatever you wear, as trousers or as a skirt, stick to those 3 colors. So in France, what we would do is most cases we'll just stick to the navy blue. So navy jeans, navy blue trousers, or navy skirt, that kind of thing. See? So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was Marianne Lecoeur of mariannelecoeur.com. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.